Hello and welcome to day 16. Today we are covering upper and lower. The upper case and the lower case. That's what we are covering today. So this upper and lower, they actually convert your text to either uppercase or lowercase. So let's say we want to convert all the customers' name to uppercase. Maybe there's an issue of inconsistency. You have noticed that in your database, some of the names are lower, some of them are upper, and then consistency is part of data quality. So you want to make sure there is consistency in your database. That's when upper and lower can come in. So let's say, for example, select upper. First name, our alias. Let's say I want to change it to, I'm sure I know new to alias from the previous video, uppercase name from customer. So select first name, but I want everything to be uppercase. So let's see what this query does. So you could see our result set now. All the names are in capital letter. All the names are in capital letter. So that is what actually it does. It changed everything you have assigned to it to uppercase. Let's look at changing all the film titles to lowercase. So let's say, for example, I select title from film. Let's look at what it looks like first. So you could see all of them are capital letter, which is also uppercase in this context. So all of them are uppercase. But let's say we apply lower. Let's apply the lower. Let's apply the lower keyword. Title from, I want it to be, have an alias. Let's say as lower case title. So I'm selecting this one now, all of them, which is title, to be lowercase as lowercase title, which will be the name of the column as the name, as the result set comes out. This thing will not be longer title, it will be as lowercase title, then from the film table. So you could see, if you notice, everything has actually changed from uppercase to lowercase. So this is actually what you use the upper and the lower for consistency, for standardization. You want to standardize your text data to make sure there is consistency. You could use the upper and lower functions. So thank you very much for our day 16. Don't forget to practice. See you tomorrow for our day 17.